Debate instruction encounters unique difficulties. The concepts that students need to know create complicated and oftentimes lengthy lectures. Additionally, any debate format, from constructives to rebuttals, takes up valuable class time. The more debates, the less material you can cover, and vice versa. With the ubiquity of communication technology comes instructional options that were not available before. Debate Sensei takes a flipped class approach to instruction, enabling professors, teachers, and coaches to use larger portions of class time for application of argumentation and debate concepts. With dozens of lessons in an ever-growing library, instructors can customize curriculum to their needs. Debate Sensei content is perfect for argumentation and debate courses, whether they're flipped, online, hybrid, or traditional, debate team instruction, as well as summer camps. Lessons build skills in communication, note-taking, active listening, asking and answering questions, research, delivery, constructing arguments, critical thinking, and many more. If you don't find the lesson you are looking for, we enthusiastically take requests for new material. If you want a sample of our lessons, please submit a request.